Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to customize your file explorer in Windows 11, so first open this PC and then you can see view. So show more, you want to see some hidden files, so you can see when you click, so it will open, it will show this hidden file. Okay, and then you uncheck it, will it remove it, then show. Okay, after that this is view titles, small large files. Okay, then click on three dot, and you can connect directly to your server, network map, connect, disconnect network drive. Okay, then main and very important, click to property, click on three dot. Then if you go to this drive, and then it will come three dot, then click on it, and then click to option, and then you can see open Fire Explorer to home on this PC. Okay, this is setting which is you want. Otherwise single click to open item when you click, and this is double click to open this. Single click, single click will select, and double click will open it like this. Okay, show recent use file, if you check it, it will remove the recent file. Okay, and show files dot office also. And if you want to change the history of your file explorer, so you can click it like. Okay, then view, this is also you can see hidden file, if you want to see you can select it. Always show icon, never thumbnail. Okay, this, and this is search, don't use indexing searching. Okay, so when you check this, it will search very deeply. Included search compress in the searching results, so non-compressive locations also show the name and this also. Okay, so this is a feature, is basic. Okay, and then restore features also there. After that click to apply, and then click to OK. Thank you guys.